Hello, children. Today, we are going to learn the letter U. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter U. U for umpire. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for utensils. U for urn. This is the letter U reading fun. Now, let's read a short story together. The umpire is enjoying the cricket on a rainy day. Uzair wears a uniform and stands under an umbrella to save the utensils and urn. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students we use that umbrella to protect us from sunlight and rain. T. Listen to the letter U by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of U. A. Distribute the worksheet to the students with a sketch of an umbrella and ask them to decorate the umbrella with their favorite colors and stars. M. Count objects beginning with the sound U around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. U-P-S. Ups. U-F-O. UFO. U-S-E. Use. Well done, children. Goodbye.